And that is why I stress to people over and over again to not buy a Jeep. Hang on, who's this? What is going on here? What's going on?
G'day, mate. The car's running like
Car's running like What's the problem?
There's an airflow issue in this vicinity over here.
Airflow issue.
Yeah.
Right, bring it in, let's have a look. You said some air issue or something?
Yep, front half of the car.
Somewhere around this vicinity.
Yeah, seems to be an
All
air issue.
right, well, let's have a look at your air filter. It might be the first thing to have a look at, because I don't know what's going on. Oh my!
Shit. Is that not normal?
Do you know anything about this?
Well, if it's not normal, no.
So it's not normal. Oh my God, look, the thing's filthy. All right.
Okay, that could have been the issue.
I think I've got a solution for this. Now, Ryco have just brought out their brand new O2 Rush filter. Now, it's a performance filter, so it's gonna give a bit more power. You reckon you'll be able to handle it?
We'll keep up with the patrol.
We'll keep up. I reckon I'll be eating your dust.
Oh, we'll test it later.
Well, let's whack it in and see how it goes. Right, dude, there you go. Wait, take it easy, eh?
I'll try and keep that in mind.
All right, guys, that is right. Ryco have brought out their new O2 Rush performance filter. So this can go into most everyday dual cabs, street cars, performance cars that will fit straight in there. They also do a pod filter design, so like a 3 or 4 inch to suit that custom application if you've got a different airbox. Now, it's improved efficiency, protection for your engine, flow and performance. So check them out right now at any Supercheap Auto store.